Good evening, dear students. In today's lecture of the subject and the course Diploma in Human Resource Management, we will be discussing a case study related to performance appraisal. See, the motive behind why we are studying case study is that, being a student of HRM course, okay, whenever you will be a part of any organization, whenever you will be a part of any organization, at this time, you should be able, yes, you should be able to solve any type of problem, any type of issues, which are related, any type of issues which are related to your organization. Okay, you should be able to resolve it. Okay, whatsoever situation might be there in front of you, whatever situation might be there in front of you, you should be able to resolve it in a proper manner, solve it in a proper manner. For that itself, such type of case study it is given to you. Okay, getting it? So let's discuss a case study which is on Unique Funds Limited. Okay, see, आपण केस स्टडी का घेतोय, उद्देश काय? ओके, जेव्हा आपण डिप्लोमा इन ह्युमन रिसोर्स मॅनेजमेंटचा पेपर 3 हा पेपर जेव्हा बघतोय आपण, तेव्हा केस स्टडी काय इंट्रोड्यूस केलेत बघा. यू विल बी एम्प्लॉई समवेअर, यू विल बी अ मॅनेजर समवेअर, यू विल बी ऑफिसर समवेअर. बघा, तुम्ही कुठेतरी एम्प्लॉई असणार आहे, कुठेतरी तुम्ही मॅनेजर असणार आहे, कुठेतरी तुम्ही ऑफिसर असणार आहे. जेव्हा तुम्ही ऑफिसर, मॅनेजर किंवा कुठलाही एम्प्लॉई असाल, तुमच्यासमोर अशा बरेचसे इश्यूज घडतील, बरेचसे सिच्युएशन्स तुमच्यासमोर घडतील. ओके, आणि ह्या सिच्युएशनमध्ये ह्या सिच्युएशनला सॉर्ट आऊट करणे, हे सिच्युएशन सॉल्व्ह करणे ते तुमच्या हातात आहेत. ओके, सो तुम्हाला त्या सिच्युएशनवरती ग्रीप यावी, तुम्हाला ते सिच्युएशन सॉल्व्ह करता यावे, यासाठीच कुठल्या ना कुठल्या तरी ऑर्गनायझेशनचे काही इश्यूज, काही शॉर्ट इश्यूज, शॉर्ट सिच्युएशन्स, शॉर्ट प्रॉब्लेम्स तुमच्यासमोर दिले जातील. सो Unique Funds Limited, it is a reputed finance company having 10 branches in different parts of the country. Okay, Unique Funds Limited नावाची एक वेल नोन फायनान्स कंपनी आहे, जिचे 10 ब्रांचेस पूर्ण कंट्रीमध्ये स्प्रेड झालेले आहेत. सी, युनिक फंड्स लिमिटेड इज अ reputed finance company. Yes, which company is this? Finance company. Okay, Unique Funds Limited is a well-known finance company having 10 branches in different parts of the country. Its staff includes 290 cooperative employees and 70 executives. Okay, see, whenever we consider any company, what we are in need of, we are in need of staff, right? We are in need of staff. Okay, so in the same sense, in this Unique Funds Limited, okay, there are 290 employees who work as a operative, or who is the operating staff. Means, see, whenever we consider finance company, yes, there are different operations, there are different activities carried out by such type of finance company, right? Okay, so whenever we consider such type of finance company, yes, 290 of the employees of this company, this Unique Funds Limited, yes, they work as a operative. Yes, they work as a operative employees. Is it? And 70 employees, they work as a executives. They work as a executives. Is it? So, is it? There are 10 branches of this Unique Funds Limited, okay, overall spread into the country. There are 10 branches of this company spread over different parts of the country. Okay, getting it? The company has a performance rating plan under which the staff members are rated at the end of each financial year by a committee of 2 executives by means of graphic scale. Okay, see, the company has a performance rating plan. Means what? See, if the staff is working in the organization, is it, whenever you recruit employees, see, on the first day whenever your employee is recruited into the organization, okay, whenever on the first day your employee is recruited into your organization, is it, the efficiency and his effectiveness on the first day, the efficiency and effectiveness on the first day, is it, it is quite different. So the company, usually what the company does, see, whenever the employee is recruited or selected, is it, see, the efficiency when the person is fresher, is it, the mentality of that person, is it, the mentality of that person to catch something, or the mentality of person to learn something, is it, it proves his efficiency and effectiveness that time, is it. So he gives his 100% devotion at that time. He uses his skills. Even he has the mindset to improve. Is it, he gets himself trained, is it, all these things they do happen. Okay, whenever we consider at the initial stage every employee, what they do, yes, at the initial stage they give their 100% devotion, dedication towards such type of work. Okay, then after some time, after some duration, yes, the person becomes lazy. Okay, the person becomes lazy. He fails to gain something which is new. Okay, train himself, update his skills, is it. So usually the organizations, what they do, yes, the organizations, what they do is, the organizations usually rate their employees. What they do, yes, they do rate their employees. Why? Yes, they rate their employees so that, okay, okay, it will be quite easier for them. Yes, it will be quite easier for them to know whether a employee whether an employee he is working in a good manner or not. Is it getting it? So what the company does in, yes, after some interval, yes, they use a rating scale. Okay, they use a rating scale. Means what happens? Yes, they define certain parameters. They define certain factors. Is it? They define certain factors. Okay, and through that factors, through that so in the same sense, this company also, the Unique Funds Limited, okay, what they did, yes, they also had a performance rating plan under which the staff members are rated at the end of each financial year by a committee of 2 executives by means of graphic skills. Is it? See what this company did, or what is the policy of this company? The policy of this company itself is that, yes, the company has a performance rating plan. Means whether you are performing good, whether you are performing moderately, whether you are performing highly. Is it okay? Is your performance satisfactory? Is your performance unsatisfactory? Is it? Considering all these things itself, yes, the performance rating plan, it is designed by Unique Funds Limited. Okay, it is. Okay, getting it? What happened? See, ही जी कंपनी आहे युनिक फंड्स लिमिटेड, ही जी कंपनी आहे युनिक फंड्स लिमिटेड, त्यांची प्रॅक्टिस काय आहे? तर प्रॅक्टिस अशी आहे की काय करतात बघा ते युनिक फंड्स लिमिटेड. ओके, तर त्यांचं एक परफॉर्मन्स रेटिंग प्लॅन आहे. ओके, त्यांचा एक परफॉर्मन्स रेटिंग प्लॅन आहे. म्हणजे काय की त्यांचे जे एम्प्लॉईज काम करतात, ओके, त्यांच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये जे एम्प्लॉईज काम करतात, तर ते एम्प्लॉईज जे आहेत, ओके, ते जे एम्प्लॉईज आहेत तर ते व्यवस्थित काम करतात की नाही. ओके, त्यांच्यामध्ये स्किल्स अपडेटेड आहेत का नाही, ऑर्गनायझेशनला जे गरजेचं आहे ते त्यांच्या एम्प्लॉईजमध्ये आहे का नाही. ओके, अशा प्रकारे ते इव्हॅल्युएट करतात. ओके, अशा प्रकारे इव्हॅल्युएशन ते करतात. ओके, यासाठी काय केलं त्यांनी? परफॉर्मन्स रेटिंग प्लॅन तयार केलेला आहे. ओके, त्याच्या थ्रू काय केलं जातं? त्यांचे जे स्टाफ मेंबर्स आहेत, म्हणजे 290 ऑपरेटिव्ह एम्प्लॉईज अँड 70 एक्झिक्युटिव्ज, इज इट, ह्या सर्व एम्प्लॉईजचं एक रेटिंग केलं जातं, एक इव्हॅल्युएशन केलं जातं. कधी केलं जातं? ॲट द एंड ऑफ ईच फायनान्शियल इयर. इज इट? मे बी फ्रॉम एप्रिल टू मार्च. मीन्स 31 मार्चला वगैरे त्यांचे जे पॅरामीटर्स आहेत, त्यांचे जे फॅक्टर्स आहेत, किंवा त्यांचे ते रेटिंग स्केल्समध्ये जे मेजर्स आहेत, त्या मेजर्सचा यूज करून काय केलं जातं? येस, रेटिंग केलं जातं. त्या मेजर्सचा यूज करून रेटिंग केलं जातं. ओके, so in the same sense, the company, what it does, yes, the company uses, yes, a rating scale or a rating plan through which all the employees who are working with them, they are evaluated in such a way that whether they are performing in a good manner or they are performing moderately, whether their performance is satisfactory or unsatisfactory. Okay, this all things will be known. This all things will be known. Is it? So, in the same sense, whenever we consider any company, whenever we consider any company, what the company does? Yes, the company uses such type of performance rating plans and all to evaluate the performance of its employees. Okay, why to do this? Yes, whether the employees, they are working with efficiency or not. Okay, such kind of thing. So, like the other companies also, this Unique Funds Limited, what they do? Yes, they have a performance rating plan through which all the employees, they are evaluated in a proper manner, okay, to see and check whether the employees, they are working in a good manner or not. Okay. So, what this company does? Yes, such type of performance rating plan, it is, yes, when it is generated at the end of each financial year. Okay, what is done? Two executives, they are appointed. Okay, means a committee is established of two executives. Okay, a committee is established of two executives. Okay, what they do? Yes, they measure the performance of whom? They measure the performance of all these employees who are working with Unique Funds Limited.
So in that graphic scale, okay, means through which the performance rating of the employees actually is done, what are the considerations or what are the things which are considered by this two executives who are the part of the committee? Yes, the qualities which are considered are responsibility, initiative, dependability, leadership potential, cooperative attitude, and community service. Okay, see what is done. बघा काय केलं जात आहे. तर ते जे रेटिंग स्केल आहे ज्याच्या थ्रू परफॉर्मन्स मेजर केलं जातं एम्प्लॉईजचं, तर त्याच्यामध्ये कोणकोणत्या गोष्टींचा विचार केला जातो? तर बरेचसे क्वालिटीज ज्या की त्या एम्प्लॉईजमध्ये आहेत ते क्वालिटीज कन्सिडर केल्या जातात. म्हणजे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, इनिशिएटिव्ह, डिपेंडेबिलिटी, leadership potential, cooperative attitude, and community service. Okay, getting it? See, these all are the qualities which are essential into the employees, because if your employee has all these qualities in a moderate level, is it, to the optimum level, then surely your employee will be called as skilled employee. Is it? बघा, तुमचा जो एम्प्लॉई आहे त्याच्यामध्ये हे सर्व स्किल्स असतील तर त्या एम्प्लॉईला आपण काय म्हणू शकतो? स्किल्ड एम्प्लॉई असं म्हणू शकतो. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. मीन्स व्हॉट्स एवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी यू डू अलोकेट टू दिस पर्सन, whatsoever responsibility you do allocate to this person, whether he is able to shoulder it or not. Okay, whether he is able to shoulder it or not. Yes, this is to be considered. Okay, getting it? Responsibility here means, okay, whether the employee whom you have allocated the task, okay, whenever you allocate the task or whenever you allot the task to any employee, okay, कुठल्याही एम्प्लॉईला जेव्हा तुम्ही एखादं टास्क अलोकेट करता, एखादं टास्क देता, तेव्हा त्याच्याशी रिलेटेड बरेचसे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीजसुद्धा त्या व्यक्तीला तुम्ही हँडओव्हर करता किंवा शोल्डर करत असता. इज इट? सो वेन एवर वी कन्सिडर द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिस क्वालिटी, ओके, whether, okay, the task allotted to that person and the necessary responsibility also which is shouldered to him, whether he is able to shoulder that responsibility in proper manner or he is insufficient in some way. Is it? Whenever we consider this thing, whenever we consider this thing, okay, see, this quality is very important. Okay, if your employee, if your worker, if this person is not able to shoulder the responsibility, if he is not able to shoulder the responsibility, then what will happen? Yes, surely it will affect. Surely it will affect the, yes, surely it will affect the performance of that employee, as well as, yes, your organization will not be able to assign or accomplish all those goals which they have dreamed for. Okay, then initiative. Okay, second thing is initiative. Initiative means what? Leadership. Is it? See, if you are forming a team, is it? If you are forming a team, then yes, if you are assigning a project to some, is it a team which you have formed, okay, formally into your organization, is it? See, some of the employees might be new, some of the employees might be old ones, is it? See, what you do is you have assigned the task, a project to all these people, and you have linked all these people. See, though all the people they are working in the same designation, still, is it, some of the people they direct other people, right? Okay, some of the people what they do is they direct the another people, is it? While some of them they are the literal followers. So based on this thinking, whether your employee he is able to take initiative, whether your employee he is able to take initiative or not, whether he is able to take lead, uh, whether he is able to lead or start anything on his own, or he waits for someone, is it? This quality is also that much important. Okay, next one is dependability. Is it? See, how much how much your employee is self independent. Is it? Means if you assign any task to this person, if you assign any task to this person, whether freely, single handedly, is it? He is able, okay, single handedly, whether this person is able to work or not. Is it? Whether this person single handedly is able to work or not. Is it? Or all the time he relies on another person. Is it? Means if you give or allocate a basic task to this person, if you allocate or give a basic task to this person, for that basic task itself, for completion of that basic or small task itself, whether you are required to guide this person or independently this person does it. Is it? See, this is very important. Why? Because, is it, if now and then your employee is dependent upon you, then what happens? Yes, there will be delay in work. See, some of the times, okay, this employee might be, yes, he should be able to take quick decisions. Is it? He should be able to take quick decisions. Why? Because, is it, if he is not able to take quick decisions, then what will happen? Yes, surely it will badly affect your organization's performance. For example, okay, if someone is customer executive, okay, customer relation executive, or someone from your organization, he is shoulder with the responsibility to handle the customer complaints. Is it? See, if someone approaches him, is it, and if the superior is absent, if the superior is absent, then what happens? If the superior is absent, then, okay, see, this person, he will not be able to handle the customer complaint in a proper manner. Then what will happen? Yes, your customer will be diversified, right? This can happen, right? This can happen. So dependability, this quality, it is not to be there in the employee. Is it? If your employee is dependable on the superiors or other colleagues now and then surely what will happen? Yes, it will badly affect your organization's performance, right? Okay, then the second thing is leadership potential. Okay, whether your employee is able to lead, whether your employee is able to lead or not. Okay, means, see, though you are the employee of that organization, though you are the subordinate of the organization, still, is it, at the 11th hour, whenever your company is in need of leadership, are you able to lead or you stand backward? Is it? This is also important. Okay, then cooperative attitude. Okay, see, whenever you think of the organization, whenever you think of the organization, always the organization should be having a team spirit. Always the organization should be having team spirit. Means what? Yes, all the members of the organization, all the members of the organization, they should, all the members of the organization, they should work hand in hand. Is it? Okay, if you think about the organization goals, okay, how the organization goals will be achieved? Yes, the organization goals will be achieved only when all the people of the organization, all the human resource of the organization, they work collectively. Okay, if they are able to work collectively, if they are able to work collectively, then what will happen? Then only the organization's goals will be achieved, right?
Then the community service. What is community service? Community service means, yes, how able are you to mix up in the society, okay, with it, whether you have that feeling to serve anyone, to help anyone, okay. This is the community service. So what happens? See, all these qualities, that is the responsibility, initiative, dependability, leadership potential, cooperative attitude, and community service. Okay, if a person he is efficient, if a person is efficient in all this respect, if the person does have all this quality contained into him, then surely what the evaluation committee will do? Yes, the evaluation committee will grant, the evaluation committee will surely grant them the good rate of performance appraisal. Okay, getting it? So whenever we think about, okay, the company, that is Unique Funds Limited, okay, this Unique Fund Limited, what it will be doing? Yes, it would rate its members, it would rate its member that it would rate its member along with the qualities of, is it, quality contained into them. Is it? If they have all these qualities, if they have all these qualities, then yes, surely they will be carried on to the next year. Is it? Next year. Okay, if they don't have quality into them, then surely what will happen? Yes, they will not, okay, they will not be promoted. Is it? If a person qualifies all the performance evaluation, then he will be promoted. If he doesn't, then he will not be promoted. Okay, such kind of thing it does happens. Okay, so म्हणजे काय करतात बघा, या परफॉर्मन्स अप्रायझलमध्ये काय केलं जातं, हे सर्व जे क्वालिटीज आहेत, म्हणजे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, इनिशिएटिव्ह, डिपेंडेबिलिटी, लिडरशिप पोटेन्शियल, कॉपरेटिव्ह ॲटिट्यूड, कम्युनिटी सर्व्हिस, ओके, ह्या सर्व गोष्टी आहेत का, ह्या सर्व गोष्टी आहेत का, हे चेक केलं जातं. ह्या सर्व गोष्टी असतील तर त्या व्यक्तीला प्रमोशन असेल किंवा अजून फर्दर काही अपॉर्च्युनिटीज असतील ते दिल्या जातात. आणि समजा त्याच्यामध्ये ह्या क्वालिटीज नसतील तर येस, त्याच्यामध्ये त्या क्वालिटीज नसतील तर त्या क्वालिटीज कशी डेव्हलप करता येतील यासाठी प्रयत्न केले जातात किंवा इज इट त्याचं डिमोशन पण केलं जाईल. ओके, कारण की समजा इज इट ॲज अन एम्प्लॉई तुम्ही समजा तेवढे व्यवस्थित नसाल, तुमच्याकडे स्किल्स नसतील, तुमच्याकडे नॉलेज नसेल, तुमच्याकडे क्वालिटीज नसतील, येस शुअरली त्याचं इम्पॅक्ट कशावरती पडणार आहे? प्रोडक्शनवरती पडणार आहे, प्रोडक्शन ॲक्टिव्हिटीवरती पडणार आहे. इज इट? ड्यू टू दिस व्हॉट विल हॅपन? शुअरली इट विल बॅडली अफेक्ट द परफॉर्मन्स ऑफ द ऑर्गनायझेशन ऑल्सो. सो इफ युअर परफॉर्मन्स ॲज अ इंडिव्हिज्युअल, इफ युअर परफॉर्मन्स इज गुड, then surely okay, the organization's performance will also be increased. Okay, so so after the performance is rated, the ratings are discussed with the concerned employees by their immediate boss and are used to consult them and arrange for the training for them. See what happens, such type of okay, based on such type of qualities, is it, through the graphic scale the performance of the employee is rated. Okay, and after that what happens? Yes, the rating means whether their performance is poor, whether their performance is moderate, whether their performance is good or excellent. Okay, all these thing it is communicated with the employee, because the employee should be knowing, right? Okay, whether they are performing good or whether they are performing bad, whether their performance is satisfactory or it is unsatisfactory. Okay, this thing because see, as an employee we do work, right? But okay, many of the time we are not able to evaluate ourselves, right? We lack in self evaluation. What we do? Yes, we lack in self evaluation. So what we are supposed to do then? Yes, we are supposed to see, check. Okay, we are supposed to see and check. Okay, what is our performance, at what level we are working, is it whether the company is satisfied by us, is it? Okay, all these things we are supposed to take care of. Okay, getting it? So in the same sense, after this performance evaluation is done, what is done? Yes, it is communicated to the employee. Further, okay, who communicates this? Their immediate bosses. Okay, their superior communicate with them. Okay, and are used to counsel them and arrange further training from them, is it? If some qualities they are missing, some qualities they are in the less amount, okay, in some qualities they are lagging behind, then yes, they are counseled. Okay, counseling of them is made by their immediate bosses, and how to improve those qualities. Okay, how to improve those qualities, efforts are taken for the same. Okay, efforts are taken for the same, is it? Getting it? Then the ratings are also used for granting and withholding of increments and promoting of meritorious staff, is it? See, if a person has all these qualities, okay, and he's good, okay, he's good into his performance. Okay, if a person has all these qualities and he is good into his performance, he is having all these qualities, okay, surely that person will be considered for promotion. Okay, that person will be considered for further promotion, is it? Now if he is lagging behind, if he is lagging behind, if he is not having some of the qualities contained into him, then yes, his increments, if any, are pending, they are stopped. Okay, till he gets, okay, qualities included into him, till he gets qualities included into him, his increments they are halted or they are withheld. Okay, getting it? So the person who is good into his qualities, he is promoted. The person who is bad, is it? The person who is bad, who is not having such type of qualities, yes, their increments they are stopped. Okay, getting it? So recently, two employees working at the head office have been denied annual increments due to comparatively low ratings. Okay, see, two of the employees who were working in the head office, okay, two of the employees who were working in the head office, yes, their rating, okay, rating based on all these qualities, right? Okay, the ratings based on all these qualities, the rating was not good. So what happened? Yes, their increment which was pending, it was halted or it was stopped. Okay, getting it? They have made a representation to the chief executive of the company expressing their dissatisfaction with the appraisal system and insisting that community service is not a part of their job and it should not influence their ratings. Okay, so these two employees, see, these two employees, they were not satisfied with the ratings given to them because the quality, the last quality which was used to evaluate the performance, it was community service. And I think these two employees they were not interested into serving the community, okay, because that was not a part of the job, is it? So what they did, they complained to chief executive of the company that yes, okay, see, this rating is not is it we are not satisfied with this rating, okay. This was the complaint with Ford, okay, put forwarded by this person, is it? Okay. The employees seem to organize a union and demand that annual increment should be automatic. So what these employees did? Yes, they organized a union to put forth their demand that, okay, based on rating, such type of increment should not be done. But what should be done then? Yes, what should be done then? Automatic increment should be made. Okay, the chief executive feels that performance appraised is a danger source of friction and so it should be discontinued altogether. Okay, see, the chief executive, he also realized, what he realized? He realized that, okay, such type of rating system which is prevailing into the unique company, it is not good. Okay, so what he said, yes, if further this rating is continued, then there will be friction means there will be, yes, one kind of conflict or dispute between employees and the employer, that is the management or top management of the company. Okay, so this is the case all about. ओके, काय केलं बघा, युनिक फंड्स लिमिटेड नावाची एक कंपनी आहे, फायनान्स कंपनी आहे, जिचे 10 ब्रँचेस आहेत पूर्ण कंट्रीमध्ये. ओके, त्या कंपनीमध्ये 290 ऑपरेटिव्ह एम्प्लॉईज काम करतात आणि 70 एक्झिक्युटिव्स काम करतात. ओके, आता ते कंपनीचे एक प्रॅक्टिस काय आहे, परफॉर्मन्स रेटिंग करतात ते प्रत्येक वर्षाच्या शेवटी. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 1 एप्रिलला समजा त्यांचं वर्ष चालू होत असेल, इज इट अकाउंटिंग इयर ज्याला म्हणतो आपण, तर 31 मार्चला वगैरे इव्हॅल्युएशन होतं, किंवा 1 जानेवारीला समजा वर्ष चालू होत असेल, जर ते कॅलेंडर इयरप्रमाणे चालत असतील तर 31 डिसेंबरला वगैरे त्या एम्प्लॉईजचं रेटिंग होतं. आता ते रेटिंगसाठी काही क्वालिटीज कन्सिडर केले जातात. 2 एक्झिक्युटिव्ह त्यासाठी नेमले जातात आणि 12 क्वालिटीज, एक 10-12 क्वालिटीज त्याच्या थ्रू, ह्या पॅरामीटर्स थ्रू जज केलं जातं की एम्प्लॉईमध्ये क्वालिटी आहे का नाही. कुठल्या क्वालिटीज आहेत बघा, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, इनिशिएटिव्ह, डिपेंडॅबिलिटी, लिडरशिप पोटेन्शियल, कॉपरेटिव्ह ॲटिट्यूड अँड कम्युनिटी सर्व्हिस. इज इट, समजा एखाद्याकडे ह्या सर्व गोष्टींवरती प्रोफिशियन्सी असेल, इज इट, त्याच्यामध्ये ही ॲबिलिटी असेल, तर त्याला येस, गुड किंवा सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी त्याचा रिपोर्ट जनरेट केला जातो. ओके, मग हे रेटिंग थ्रू जे रिपोर्ट येतात, इज इट, म्हणजे रेटिंग जे येतात, ओके, म्हणजे एखाद्याचा परफॉर्मन्स गुड आहे, बॅड आहे, मॉडरेट आहे, सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी आहे, अनसॅटिस्फॅक्टरी आहे, इज इट, हे सर्व कोण कम्युनिकेट करतं त्या एम्प्लॉईला, तर त्याचे जे इमिजिएट बॉस आहेत, त्यांचे जे सुपिरियर्स असतात, ते त्यांना ते कम्युनिकेट करतात. ओके, कळतं आहे? ओके, त्याच्यानंतर काय केलं जातं, येस, समजा रेटिंग व्यवस्थित नसेल, लो रेटिंग असेल त्या एम्प्लॉईची, त्याचा परफॉर्मन्स सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी नसेल, तर काय केलं जातं, त्याचं प्रमोशन जे आहे ते थांबवलं जातं. आणि एखाद्याचं समजा एखाद्यामध्ये क्वालिटी खूप छान असेल, इज इट, सगळ्या क्वालिटीज असतील, त्याचा परफॉर्मन्स चांगला असेल, सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी असेल, तर इज इट, अशा प्रकारच्या मेरिटोरी स्टाफला प्रमोशन दिलं जातं. ओके, आता बघा, त्या कंपनीचे जे हेड ऑफिस होतं त्याच्यामध्ये 2 एम्प्लॉईज काम करायचे, त्यांचे रेटिंग जे आहेत ते लो आले होते, इज इट, किंवा अनसॅटिस्फॅक्टरी रेटिंग्स आले होते. ओके, आता त्यांचे 2 त्यांचे इन्क्रीमेंट्स पेंडिंग होते. ओके, आता परफॉर्मन्स त्यांचं बॅड असल्यामुळे, अनसॅटिस्फॅक्टरी असल्यामुळे काय झालं, परफॉर्मन्स अनसॅटिस्फॅक्टरी असल्यामुळे येस त्यांचं प्रमोशन थांबवलं गेलं. मग त्यांनी काय केलं, ते भेटले चीफ एक्झिक्युटिव्हला. त्यांना म्हणाले ते की अशा प्रकारचं रेटिंग बरोबर नाही, कारण की कम्युनिटी सर्व्हिस वगैरे अशा प्रकारच्या क्वालिटीज इन्क्लूड केल्यामुळे बघा तो काय जॉबचा पार्ट नाही. इज इट, अशा प्रकारे ते चीफ एक्झिक्युटिव्हशी बोलले. इज इट, नंतर काय केलं त्यांनी एक युनियन स्टार्ट केलं. ओके, ते युनियन थ्रू अशा प्रकारचं रेटिंग जे आहे ते बंद करावं, हे त्यांची डिमांड होती. ओके, चीफ एक्झिक्युटिव्ह जे आहेत त्यांचं पण मत असं होतं की अशा प्रकारचे रेटिंग समजा जर कंटिन्यू केलं, परफॉर्मन्स रेटिंग जर कंटिन्यू केलं तर काय होईल, येस हे जे एम्प्लॉईज आहेत ते काय करतील, येस दे विल एंटर इन टू कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विथ द मॅनेजमेंट. ओके, आता बेस्ड ऑन दिस केस द क्वेश्चन्स आर देअर. लेट्स डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन. इफ यू वेअर द ह्युमन रिसोर्स मॅनेजर, हाऊ वुड यू डिफ्यूज द प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, समजा तुम्ही या कंपनीचे ह्युमन रिसोर्स मॅनेजर असाल, तर हे जे प्रॉब्लेम प्रिव्हिलिंग आहे, म्हणजे हा रेटिंगचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल, त्याच्या थ्रू एम्प्लॉईमधलं जे डिसॅटिस्फॅक्शन आहे, इट ह्या प्रॉब्लेमला तुम्ही कसं डील कराल. ओके, सेकंड क्वेश्चन असा आहे, हाऊ फार डू यू ॲग्री विथ द चीफ एक्झिक्युटिव्हज व्ह्यू दॅट परफॉर्मन्स अप्रायझल शुड बी डिस्कंटिन्यू. ओके, तुम्हाला काय वाटते की चीफ एक्झिक्युटिव्ह ऑफिसर जे म्हणालेत की अशा प्रकारची रेटिंग सिस्टीम बंद करूया, ओके, त्याच्याशी तुम्ही सहमत आहात की तुम्हाला सुद्धा रेटिंग सिस्टीम कंटिन्यू व्हावी असं वाटतं. गिव्ह युअर कमेंट्स. देन ऑन व्हॉट लाईन्स वुड यू रिकमेंड modifications in the performance appraisal system of the company. Okay, see, तुम्हाला समजा ती परफॉर्मन्स अप्रायझलची सिस्टीममध्ये काय मॉडिफिकेशन्स करायचे असतील, डू सजेस्ट इट. ओके, सो विथ दिस आय कन्क्लूड टुडेज लेक्चर. थँक्यू.